Why is upgraded Ukraine drone capabilities trending? 2026. Why is upgraded Ukraine drone capabilities trending? Because these new drones are reshaping the battlefield and could change the course of the war right now. Ukraine's upgraded drones are making a huge impact by hitting moving targets like trucks and trains deep behind enemy lines. One example is the FP2 drone, which can fly roughly 100 miles. These drones use advanced engines, better batteries, and integrated Starlink communication systems. This tech upgrade allows Ukrainian forces to disrupt Russian supply lines with precision, causing major logistical setbacks for Russia's military. Ukraine's top military commander Oleksandr Syrskyi warns that Russia plans to increase the share of jet-powered drones in its bombing campaigns up to half of their strikes. This signals a shift in Russian tactics trying to counter Ukraine's drone dominance. But Ukraine's upgraded drones are already proving disruptive, especially against unarmored trucks and trains, hitting Russia's rear supply routes and weakening their frontline. Ukraine's drone and unmanned vehicle technology isn't just theoretical. Last summer, a single unmanned ground vehicle, operated remotely by soldiers, defended an important position against constant Russian ground assaults for 45 days without any Ukrainian soldiers being harmed. This shows how upgraded drone tech is reducing human risk while holding critical ground. According to drone analyst Mykola Bielieskov, Ukraine's weapons manufacturers and frontline units operate in a direct access market. They compete to maintain reputations by quickly delivering effective, battle-ready drones. This fast-paced, competitive environment is driving rapid innovation and deployment of upgraded drones that keep Ukrainian forces ahead in the battlefield. The introduction of these upgraded drones with enhanced range, targeting, and communications is having a real impact on the war. They severely disrupt Russian logistics by attacking unarmored trucks and trains behind the front lines. This ongoing drone campaign is a key reason Ukraine is holding its ground and preventing Russian advances, making these drone capabilities a trending and urgent topic worldwide. What this means for you is that drone technology is no longer just futuristic. It's changing modern warfare right now. Ukraine's success with upgraded drones shows how tech innovation can protect lives and shift power balances rapidly. Stay informed about these developments because they could influence global security and drone warfare trends for years. Don't forget to subscribe for daily updates on fast-evolving stories like this.